So in this video, we are going to learn how to add Instagram lead ads leads to get as subscriber. Let's say you're running some lead ads on Instagram to generate some new leads. And the new leads which you're getting from Instagram lead ads, you want to add the same leads as subscriber in your Kit account. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. In this automation, as a new lead will be generated in Instagram lead ads, automatically with the same lead details, we are going to add that lead as a subscriber in Kit. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this complete automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Instagram profile. And using meta ads, I'm running some ads on Instagram to generate some new leads. Now I want that whenever I get a new lead from these Instagram lead ads, I want to add the same lead as subscriber in Kit. Now to do this, we have to connect our Instagram lead ads account with Kit. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration platform. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After creating your account and coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as Instagram lead ads to Kit. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on create. And as you click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, you can see we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger window. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Instagram lead ads account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever a new lead is generated on our Instagram lead ads, automatically the details of the same lead will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the same lead and add that lead as a subscriber in our Kit account. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window in Choose app, let's search for Instagram lead ads and select it. After selecting Instagram lead ads, here in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new lead instant. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Instagram lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. But this connection, the connection between our Instagram ads account and Pabbly Connect is done via Facebook or Meta. So first thing what we have to do is we have to ensure that our Instagram account or our Instagram profile is connected with our Facebook account over here. So let me take you to the account center over here and here you can see my Instagram profile and my Facebook account is connected. Also, what we have to do, we have to select a specific Facebook page over here. So while I have created an ad campaign in Meta Ads, you can see that I have basically running the ads on Instagram over here. And while running the ads, I have connected my Instagram profile and my Facebook page from which the forms or the leads will be collected. So all the leads which we are getting from the Instagram ads will be connected via this Facebook page. So we have to ensure that our Instagram profile and our Facebook profiles are connected. And while creating the campaign, we are creating the ad campaign, we have to know that which particular Facebook page we are using to generate some new leads over here. So after ensuring it, what we have to do, we have to log into the same Instagram and same Facebook account in our browser while connecting it with Pabbly Connect. And then just click on this connect with Instagram lead ads button. Now here you can see in this pop-up window, using the Facebook account or Facebook profile, the connection is made. So we will just click on this continue button and as we click on continue, you will see our Instagram lead ads account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. And yes, the connection is done. After making this connection, here you can see it is asking us for the page, that which particular page from our Facebook profile we are using to run the ads on Instagram. So the Facebook page which we are using right now is named as Peak Performance Visio. So here from this drop down, we will just search for the same Facebook page and select it. Now all the lead gen form which you have created in this Facebook page, you will get a list of all of those lead gen forms in the next drop down over here. So here in this dropdown, you can see all the lead gen form which we have created for this Facebook page can be seen. And you can basically use any of these forms to run the ads or lead ads on Instagram. Now here we have to select that the new lead from which particular form we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect. Either you can get the leads from a specific lead gen form or you can get the leads from all the lead gen forms as well. So let's say I want to capture the leads from all the lead gen forms which I have for this Facebook page inside Pabbly Connect. So I have selected this option. After selecting this option, let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, it has now changed to Waiting for Webhook Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture some new response, some details of a new lead from Instagram lead ads. Now what you can do, if you're running some live ads, you can just wait for some time and capture a live lead over here. Or what you can do, you can use Meta's lead ad testing tool. So here you can see using this Meta's lead ad testing tool, you can generate some test leads, some dummy leads over here. Now, if you want to know how you can access this lead ad testing tool and how you can use this tool to generate the test lead, let me tell you that we already have a dedicated video live on the channel. You can just refer to that video and learn how you can reach to this lead ad testing tool and how you can use it. But after coming to this lead ad testing tool, here we just have to select the Facebook page over here, and then from this drop down, we have to select the lead gen form, that for which particular form we want to generate the test lead. Then just click on this preview form button. After clicking on preview form, here we just have to enter the details of a new lead. Let's say the name of this lead is demo user. Then after that, this is the email address and this is a dummy mobile number which we are entering. The gender is, for example, male. And after entering these details of a dummy lead, of a test lead in our lead gen form, just click on continue and then just click on submit. And as we click on submit, here you can see just now we have generated a new lead on Instagram lead ads or our lead gen form. Now we will see as we generate a new lead, because we have connected our Instagram lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, we will see the details of this exact same lead will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So we'll come to Pabbly Connect workflow and yes, within seconds we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the same lead. We have the same name, same last name, same email address, same phone number, and same gender of the lead. And if you scroll down, you can see some other details of the same lead as well. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully connected our Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect and captured the details of a new lead received over there. Now after this, let's move to step 2, and in step 2, we want to send the details of the same lead to Kit and add this lead as a subscriber in our Kit account. For that, we will just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, we'll search for Kit and select it. After selecting Kit, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as add subscriber to a form or add subscriber to a sequence. Now here the choice is yours. If you want to add the new subscriber using a form over here via a form, you can select this option. Or if you have created any kind of email sequence in Kit, then in that case, you can use this action of add subscriber to sequence. Right now in this video, I will be using add subscriber to a sequence over here. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here, we have to connect our Kit account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key and API secret of our Kit account. Now you must be thinking, what is this API key and API secret and how you can get it? So to get these things, just go to your Kit account. From the right top corner from this drop down, go to settings. After coming to the settings page of our Kit account, from the left sidebar, we'll scroll down and go to developer. And under developer, you can see the API key and API secret under V3 keys. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after that, copy this API secret and paste it over here as well. And after entering these details, just click on save. And as we click on save, here you can see our Kit account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the sequence ID. So in this dropdown, you will get a list of all the sequences which you have created in your Kit account. Right now in my Kit account, I have only one sequence. That's why you can see only one option over here. And I'm going to select it. But if you have created multiple sequences in this dropdown, you will get a list of all of them. And you can select the sequence in which you want to add this subscriber. Then it is asking us for the email and first name. So here we have received the details of a new lead from Instagram lead ads in the trigger step. So here from the trigger step responses, we have to send this response, send this detail of email address and first name of the lead. Now to add the responses from the trigger step to this Kit action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is extremely simple. Just click on this field of email and from this drop down, select the response of email address and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever email address the lead is going to enter in our lead gen form, the same email will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and using this Pabbly Connect automation with the same email and name, we are going to add them as a subscriber in Kit. After mapping the email address, just click here from the drop down, select the response of first name, and it will be mapped as well. Then it is asking us for the tag. So in this drop down, you can see there are 3 tags which I have created in my Kit account: Google Ad Leads, Instagram Lead, and Website Lead. So whatever tag you want to add to these contacts, these subscribers, you can select it. Let's say I want to add a tag as Instagram Lead over here. So I have selected it. If you want, you can basically add multiple tags to a same subscriber as well. But right now, I only want to assign one tag over here. Now, after mapping the email address, mapping the first name, selecting the tab, and selecting the sequence ID, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response, and this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that this subscriber is now added. The same lead which we have generated on Instagram lead ad using this test lead form, the same lead is now added as subscriber in our Kit account. So let's check it. We will just go to a Kit account over here. We'll go to the Grow section, go to Subscribers. And yes, here you can see that the same person, demo user over here with the same name and same email address is now added as a subscriber in our Kit account. And also we have the same tag added to this subscriber. This means the automation workflow between Instagram lead ads and Kits which we are created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once in real time. For that, we'll just go back to the lead ad testing tool and we are going to generate another test lead, another dummy lead, and test this automation. But before generating another test lead, first we have to delete the existing test lead which we have created, because using this lead ad testing tool, you can only generate one test lead at a time. Let's click on this delete lead button, and after clicking on delete lead, you can see the previous test lead will be deleted. Now we will just refresh this page once, and then once again from this drop down, we are going to select our Facebook page. So we'll just scroll down and select the Facebook page over here. Let me just search for the Facebook page. And here it is. And then let's select the lead gen form as well. We are going to select the same form. Click on preview form. And after that, here we are going to enter the details of a new lead. Let's say the name of this new lead is test user. This is the email address over here. And after that, this is the dummy mobile number which we are entering. The gender is, for example, female this time. And after entering details of a new test lead, just click on continue. Okay, so let me just correct the mobile number over here and click on continue. And as you click on continue, let's click on submit. So just now we have generated another lead over here on Instagram lead ads. And after generating this new lead, we will see instantly within seconds, the same lead will be added in our Kit account. So we'll get back to our Kit account. We'll go to the subscribers page once again. And yes, here you can see that test, the same lead which we have generated just now on Instagram lead ads, is now added as subscriber over here. You can see the same name, the same email address, and also the same tag. This means this Pabbly Connect automation is working perfectly fine and we have tested it in real time. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find a clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.